Welcome to Financial Knowledge, where we break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand insights. In today's video, we're diving into estate planning, a crucial step in securing your family's future. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your existing plan, stay tuned as we cover the essentials. Section 1. What is estate planning? Estate planning is the process of arranging how your assets will be managed and distributed after your death. It involves a variety of legal documents and strategies that ensure your wishes are honored and your loved ones are taken care of. Think of it as a roadmap for the future, one that provides clear instructions for what should happen to your property, savings, investments, and personal belongings. Section 2. Why is estate planning important? Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's important for everyone. Without a plan, your assets may be distributed according to state laws, which might not align with your wishes. This could lead to unnecessary stress and financial strain for your loved ones. Proper estate planning helps minimize taxes, avoid probate, and ensures that your beneficiaries receive what you intend. It also allows you to make critical decisions, such as appointing guardians for minor children or setting up trusts. Section 3. Key components of an estate plan. An effective estate plan typically includes several key components. 1. Will. This legal document outlines how you want your assets distributed and who will oversee the process. 2. Trust. A trust can help manage your assets during your lifetime and distribute them after your death without the need for probate. 3. Power of attorney. This designates someone to make financial or legal decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. 4. Healthcare directive. Also known as a living will, this outlines your wishes for medical care if you become incapacitated. 5. Beneficiary designations. Ensure your life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and other assets have up-to-date beneficiaries. 6. Letter of intent. This isn't legally binding, but it provides guidance to your executor or family on how you'd like your affairs handled. Section 4. Common estate planning mistakes. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. 1. Failing to update your plan. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child should prompt a review of your estate plan. 2. Not planning for incapacity. It's crucial to plan for scenarios where you might not be able to make decisions yourself. 3. Overlooking digital assets. In today's world, your digital presence, like social media accounts, online banking, and digital files, should also be included in your estate plan. 4. Ignoring tax implications. Estate taxes can take a significant portion of your assets if not properly planned for. Section 5. How to get started. Getting started with estate planning can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Take inventory of your assets. List everything you own, including real estate, bank accounts, investments, and personal property. 2. Determine your goals. Decide how you want your assets distributed and who should be responsible for managing your affairs. 3. Consult with professionals. An estate planning attorney and financial advisor can help you create a plan that meets your needs and complies with state laws. 4. Draft the necessary documents. Work with your attorney to create or update your will, trusts, and other essential documents. 5. Communicate your plan. Let your family and any appointed executors or trustees know about your plan and where to find important documents. Estate planning is an essential part of securing your financial future and providing peace of mind for your loved ones. Don't wait until it's too late. Start your estate planning today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more financial tips and insights. See you in the next video.